mini whoopie pies. So here is the chocolate glaze for my whoopie pies. Here's the cookies. And here is the part for the icing. So I have an easy bake oven and my icing and my cookies. My pan I'm going to use to put the cookies on. This mixing bowl that you don't need a big one, but you need a small one, and a spatula that comes with the Easy Bake Oven in the box. Hi guys, we are back to mix our ingredients. So I'll take the icing and put it to the side over here. So we'll take our brownie stuff and we're gonna take our brownie and open it. So we're going to pour it in our bowl. Okay, this is kind of difficult. But let me just get this and I'm gonna start pouring it in. Okay, so we dumped it in. Now we are going to get our water and pour it in. So it says we're supposed to mix until it is thick and doughy. So if you do have the same things, but if you have pizza, I'll make that later. So we're just learning how to make some whoopie pies. Mini whoopie pies. Because some whoopie pies are like just whoopie pies. Hi guys, so this is what it looks like when you're done mixing it. But doesn't look very appetizing, but it tastes good. So I am going to cut it in half with this butter knife. It might be kind of greasy, so it might be kind of sticky, so it might be sticking onto your knife. But I'll put that back. So you see I got a little bit of flour. And I'm going to take a little bit of it and put it on my hands. And so I will make these two halves into 3 little balls. So I'll start with this piece. So I'm going to roll this to a smooth little ball, and then I'll make 2 other balls. One more ball and then I'll do 3. This is a pretty big ball. But I'll still make it. Might want to put some more flour on my hands.
Your hands are clean.
So I will take this piece and keep making more balls until I'm done. So I'll make a couple more balls. Might want to make this one extra big so the third one will be smaller. Okay, so that is done, and then this is done. Here we have our little balls, and I am going to put 3 at a time on our pan. So I'll take this one, put it here on our pan, and then I'll take this one and put it here on our pan, and then this one, and I'll put it right here so they won't get stuck together while they're cooking. Ooh. So we have our whoopie cookies on parchment paper. So here's our spatula that I told you about in the first part. So we are going to take this, our whoopie cookies, and put them in halfway. And we are going to push them in until it gets to this part. And then we wait for 12 minutes. Hi, I'm back. So I have my water and my frosting mix. So I will open the frosting mix. And I will open it up. And pour it in like I did to my mini whoopie cake cookies. So I'll pour that rest in. So now pour this in. Okay, so that's it. Then I'll pour my water in. You might smell something, which would be the icing because it smells good. And so we're going to be mixing it. Hi guys, so this is what the icing turned out to be. More like icing than puffy icing in the picture. But we got our first batch out and we are just about to put our second batch in. So we're going to let our first batch cool off on our cooling tray. So, and then we are going to start making our second batch. So we have our second batch in the Easy Bake Oven, and here's our first batch that we did first. So we have our icing in, and we cheated a little bit by putting a little marshmallows in it. So I'll just get this over, and then, ooh, this stuff's drippy. And then we'll put some icing on our whoopie cake cookies. So we got our second batch. They are cooling off. So we're going to turn the oven off. And we are going to put the tops on the matching cookies. So this is a small one. I don't really know about this, but it still works. I don't know, kinda, probably. Now we have our cookies, which look like a funny Oreo face. Hey. Now I'm going to start eating delicious stuff like the cookies, or should I say, mini whoopie pies, and the icing. I'm going to start eating. Now. This is delicious. I want to taste some of these. Ah, squish. These cookies are good.